Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Well, it's that time again for the Bestyle box. I really can't believe that the summer Bestyle box is here, but it is. And I just wanted to make sure that you guys all knew what the Bestyle box is, why I love it so much, and who this comes from. So I know a lot of you found my channel from the two Orchids. We've done a couple of collabs over this past year, but I have been a subscriber of the two Orchids for quite a long time, well before I started my own channel. And so Karen and Lauren of the two Orchids have a lifestyle YouTube channel, which will obviously be linked below. They share all kinds of things that they love, from fashion, makeup, travel, things that are on trend. And also like beverages and food recipes. So it's quite a, it's just a full channel with, so many things that give me inspiration in my life. And the Bestyle box is their picks for the current trends, the current fashion, current, entrepreneurs who are partnering with them for us to be able to try these new products. And so also from their own local businesses, and they actually do the Bestyle box with a boutique right in their own neighborhood, 850 Blues, Kristen. And so she has a lot of input into what goes into these Bestyle boxes as well. And I am always satisfied with the quality of the products, and I have things that I've gotten over the years that I use over and over again each season. So the cost of the Bestyle box, it's a seasonal subscription, so you can buy one box at a time, and one box at a time is $59.99. And if you want to buy the annual subscription, so if you get an annual subscription, you will get 4 boxes for a whole year seasonally. And that is $239.96 for 4 boxes. The good thing about getting an annual subscription is you don't have to pay shipping. You will have to pay shipping on the one box. So it is worth it. Plus, you don't even have to think about it for a year. You'll just get your surprise box in the mail to see what goodies you're going to be getting for that season. So I am just going to go ahead and open this up and see what I have for the summer season. And I can see that I have a bag, a summer bag. Looks really, really pretty. I have something here. I don't know what that is. I don't have my glasses on. Ooh, I see a magic eraser in there, which I always love. And something else going on in here. So I'm gonna take out each piece one at a time and show you. I am gonna put my glasses on so I know what I'm looking at. All right, so the first thing is a little summer bag. And this is right on trend. I was just looking at some Tory Burch bags on Nordstrom, and one looked like this. So I know this is definitely on trend for the summer. Oh, this is so cute. It has a little buckle here, and you can open it up that way. It's a soft sort of baskety weave. And it does have a strap to make it a crossbody. This is so cute. It's black with the basket weave, and this little clasp is so pretty, the gold clasp. And then you have your buckles on the side, your little loops on the side to make this a crossbody. So you just have your little lobster claw clasp here. And we'll hook it to one side, and then we'll hook it to the other side. Okay, I can make this longer to make it into a crossbody. I like a longer crossbody, so I'll just, so there's a little crossbody. I can make it even longer still. This is soft, very soft. I can't wait to use this. I think this is just absolutely beautiful. Excellent for the summertime. This will go with a dress, with jeans, with shorts. Gorgeous. All right, then I got my magic eraser, and this is a cheetah, it looks like. And this is erase all makeup with just water. You can actually use this with just water to take off your makeup. I use a magic eraser every time I take off my makeup at night. I do use my cleansing product with it, but it just works so well. This is a really big one. This is a nice one. I'm gonna put my glasses on. Sorry if there's like a glare in the glass, but Bye Bye Makeup Wipes Forever. And this is helping to remove the third most wasteful product in the world, wipes. So this is a really, really nice one. This is a really nice one, nice and big, cute, excellent. You can take this with you when you travel. These alone cost about $10 each, so this is really, really worth it in this bestyle box. This is excellent. The next thing that's in here are these exfoliating sugar cubes. There's coffee, rosé, and juice cleanse. And these, take a single cube with you in the shower or bath and gently massage over wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. Never tested on animals. And these are, these look really fun. I can't open them up to smell them without tearing into the box. Let me just cut this. I want to smell them. So it's just like a little luxury item. And they come in like a little tray. I have like 3 different scents in there, but I can smell coffee. It's very kind of like sweet, like a sugar cube. I feel like eating them, but obviously not. I'm obviously not gonna eat them. Don't worry, Karen and Lauren, I know what to do with these. No, this is really very luxurious. This is a great way to exfoliate and get something that smells really good in your shower. Great way to start the day. All right, and then there's usually a piece of jewelry in here. So far, 1, 2, 3 items. Definitely that purse would have been more than $10 in the store. The cloth, the cleansing cloth is 10. Those little sugar cubes, probably close to 10. Now I got these little, a necklace with this kind of multicolored stone here and some earrings to match. Let's see. And this is definitely something that's on trend. Again, that's what I mean. Like, I don't have time to research things that are on trend or go shopping for things that are on trend, and they pick it out for me and they do all the work for me, and all I have to do is wear it and enjoy it. And you can make it longer or shorter depending on which one of these you use. Very pretty, very delicate, very pretty. I love this. Looks really nice. It's just not some kind of big piece of jewelry, because you might not want that in the summertime with what you might be wearing. And I'm gonna put the earrings on too. They really look like some kind of pretty stone. They always pick out really pretty jewelry for their bestyle boxes. It's a great way to add to your collection. So they're just little, you know, hooks to put in. Very, very easy. Very, very pretty. put those in. They do come with little plastic backings, like these little, you won't be able to see that probably, a little plastic backing. But I usually will just kind of pinch them a little bit closed so they're not going anywhere. They look pretty. So yeah, very, very pretty, very nice. Love them. I have a new matching set. And it looks like the last thing in here, I have no idea what this is. I did peek on the website. I think it's something for a wrap or some kind. Let's look at it. So if you count these separately, so earrings, necklace, 3, 4, 5, 6 items in this B-Style box for $59.99. So that's $10 each. That is really not bad at all. I think it's a really great deal. And this is like a scarf. This looks like a scarf or a wrap. It's a wrap, and it's got tassels on each corner. Look at the pretty colors in this. Gorgeous. Now, you could wear it just over your, take it with you over your shoulders. You could put it like as if it's a, just like a little scarf, and wear it into like just as an accessory. You can then, when you're in a restaurant or something where you're chilly, you can take it down and use it as, you know, something that's going to keep your shoulders warm if you're in a restaurant. It's just super, super pretty, super, super colorful. I think it's gorgeous. And, you know, if you're wearing like, you know, when I would really like this, if I was wearing like a black dress or some other color, because this has plenty of colors in it, but if you have a dress on that's kind of like fitted and you know, tight to the body, you could just throw this on and it would cover up anything that, you know, you really maybe have a little bump here in the front that you don't want to show. You can just put this on and now you're camouflaged, but you look absolutely gorgeous. This is just so pretty, and the material is not, I wouldn't say it's thick, it's just not thin, but it drapes really, really nice. So I mean, if you're going out for the evening and you just want to throw something on to cover up, or like I said, to camouflage in the front, this is excellent. And then you can, like I say, always use it to, you know, keep your shoulders warm. The colors are just magnificent. I got it on backwards. The colors, you could wear this with a yellow. You could wear it with black, you could wear it with blue. Just really every single color that you could imagine. There's green in here that you could imagine, turquoise, for the summer months. All right, guys. So that is July's B-Style box. I absolutely love it. I think that it is very trendy, very beautiful. I have a new crossbody bag to wear. I have new earrings and a new necklace. I have some luxury items for my shower. And I also have a new eraser, makeup eraser, which is very cute, and Cheetah. We love Cheetah. So anyway, that is the July Bestyle box. Thank you so much, Karen and Lauren. Thank you, Kristen from 850 Blues. Another great, great Bestyle box. I couldn't love it anymore. And I am ready to go to be very fashionable and very on trend for the rest of the summer. So hopefully, guys, you have enjoyed this unboxing. Give Bestyle box a try if you like trends, or you like fashion or beauty products or jewelry. I'm loving everything that came in this Bestyle box. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you like fashion, home decor, DIYs, then that's what I do here at Best Life Lee. I think of all kinds of different ways to DIY my best life, and hopefully you get some ideas to DIY your best life. If you like this video, I hope that you will hit that like button, and I hope that you will come back. So thanks again, everybody. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye for now.